My name is Jeff Graham. I'm the Executive Director at Georgia Equality. I am also with the Georgia Unites Against Discrimination campaign. Our focus, our message today is not just to say that these religious exemption bills are bad for Georgia and dangerous for so many of us. We're also here today to say that when Georgia unites against discrimination, we can say that our state is a livable state. It's a welcoming state for tourists. It's a state that has a better business environment, and it's a state that can have a reputation of leading the New South. That's the Georgia that we all deserve.